Hey everybody, lovers of the D here. We got 8 of the 2024 hidden Disney hidden Mickey mystery pouches. I did go through some of the wave B. My apologies, I was too excited and just ripped them open as soon as we got them. But I will eventually go through and show off what pins we did get from it. But for now, we're gonna go through and bust through some of these. See what we're gonna get. If you guys know me well, you'll know I'm going for the D's. Let's see. Hopefully we get at least one out of these 8. Hey, first one out. Lucky. Is that a sign? And a chaser. Chaser. And a lucky D off the first pack. Guys and gals, I'm feeling good about this. Alright, we got one D. Let's see what we got here. We did not get another D. But we got old Grumpy. And Jack Jack, is this a chaser too? We did 2 chasers, so that's cool. 2 chasers. We'll put the chasers right here. We'll put the D's right there. Okay, 2 packs in, we got 6 left. No chaser, but we got another Jack Jack. And hey, we did get a chaser. What the heck? Got the chaser Iron Man shirt, come on. Not the most desirable ones, but still, that's fun. Let's keep the party going. Come on, hat box. Oh, we got a shirt. The other one's being stubborn. Uh-oh. Is that another D? It is. So what shirt do we get? Loki. Loki dokie. And then we got a Luisa. Cool. I'm stoked. I'm pretty happy. If we could get the rest of the D's, I'll be even more stoked. We got 4 more packs. 4 more packs to hopefully get 4 more D's. Let's see what we got. A t-shirt. And we got a little Easter Mickey. What shirt do we get? Captain America. Alright. So far, 3 shirts, 2 Jack Jacks. We got 1 Mickey, 1 Star Wars creature, 2 D's, and a Grumpy ear hat. So far, not bad. And out of all those, there's 1, 2, 3 chasers. So that's fun. Exciting. Next pack. We got a Mickey 4th of July. Yep. What ears are these? I would have been pretty excited if it was the Super Chaser. We got Tigger. This one, I've noticed a lot of them that are in trade are like blemished. You'll have the enamel and the paint come off real easy. Oops, as I toss it. Chat, 2 more. I got 2 more. Come on, baby. Uh-oh, is this a dupe? Dupe. Grumpy, how I feel at the moment. But, signs. Maybe some foreshadowing. Chat, let me know how you feel about the Disney Key second run of pins. With the gold trim and the glitter and the extra 1 pin. Chat, here's the last 2. Wah, wah. Jack Jack and another Star Wars creature. So 2 Star Wars creatures. We got 3 Jack Jacks, 3 shirts, 2 D's. I'm happy. We got two of these. It would have been nice to have like, you know, Hatbox or Hades or even Marie. Marie's have been really annoying to acquire. But check me out on, check me and the lady out on pin picks if you guys want to trade pins ever. We got plenty of pins we're going to be loading up here to trade, so feel free to check us out. You can find me at pinpicks under stoned ninja, and then the wife, you can find her under blue the siren. So hope to see some requests from y'all checking it out, and I appreciate you chilling. We'll see you fabulous people on the next one. Bye bye.